Welcome to MT Kids.
Hi guys, this is Ajey, Kristen here and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will be seeing about how to install add-on car in GTA 5. So this video is going to be super useful for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If the video was so useful for you guys, don't make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, saying subscribe on the red color. So yeah guys, let's don't waste any more time and get into the video. So first open OpenIV and file explorer. No, this is not, this is GTA 5 directory. What are you doing? So this is the street racer. So it's a pretty cool car. Like I guess it's Audi's car. I don't know the name of that, but the logo looks like Audi. So I guess this is the concept car of Audi. Not the most futuristic, not that thing and all. This is the street runner. So we don't want backup add-on. No, we want add-on, but we don't want backup and replace. So just go into add-on and go into this folder, and here you will see dlc.rpf, and this is just drag and drop the folder where I'm showing you, and yeah, just go to open4, and in open4 go to mods, update.rpf. No, not update.rpf. Come on Ajey, what are you doing? 6 into 64. Okay, and add on pad. No, okay. So here you have to drag and drop this folder. Just dragging and dropping it. Okay, just go. Don't forget to go to edit mode, and it will show like thing, and click as you are in edit mode. It will show like that, blah blah blah, and copied. You can see this is the street runner, and go back, and here we are at the start, and go into that folder and click on installation.txt, which means text file. So this author, this is the 67th mode of the author, and we should not edit without permission, but I'll edited a little bit in the notepad. So the author has given like there was no items. I only added this because without these tag the mode will not open guys, and without this also. So I added this externally, so you guys also add this. Okay, so it should work. Without this tag it will not open. Okay, not open now, but it will not show the car name at your trainer. Okay, so if you want how to install a trainer for GTA 5, so stay tuned on my channel by clicking the subscribe button and bell icon. Okay, so now let's go to dlc.rpf. First we are in the modes folder, right, and go to update and dlc.rpf. No, yeah, dlc.rpf. Oh, my brain is forgetting everything. So command data, and here you will find dlc.xml. So yeah, just go up and go to this line, and if you press enter there will be a space. Okay, so yeah, in the space fill in the blanks, fill in the tag that the author given in the notepad, like that. Come on, simple as that. And yeah, all is good, and click save. And close the notepad, close the edit mode and open 4 and file explorer and open GTA 5 directory and run it. Where is that? Okay. And after the GTA 5 opens, I will see you guys there. So guys, the ENT is installing version 49.0. Sometimes it will show, sometimes it will not. Okay, so the scriptbook.net, imagemode.net scriptbook. Oh, there is a lot of mode installed on my game. Michael, run. And the current trainer I'm having is enhanced native trainer, as you can see here. So go to vehicles. It was a concept car, I guess. Yeah, it was a concept. Nothing to say here. Okay, anyway. I guess it will be in sports. No, that's not the thing. That's a cardboard card. I will show you that in a moment. So yeah, where is it? I'm done with this. That's Ferrari. Oh no, where is it? Hey guys, see this, the street runner. Wow, guys, just look at this. In the trainer itself, it says the street runner. 9F street runner. Wow. Let's go to the customs and customize this. Whoa, this looks awesome. Hey, move it. What are you doing? I'm in the world's costliest car. Wow, guys, the car's pickup is so good. Okay, where is Los Santos Customs? I'm in the street only. Wait, okay, anyway. Okay, let me keep my radar on, guys, because it's a bit difficult to drive without radar. Where's the radar? Come on, display. Yeah, radar on. Okay, we just have to go. We may go down at this left. Wow, the pickup on this car. Man, it's incredible. Hey, please move. Oh, yeah, I just crashed it. Dave, I will call you later, man. Wow. Yeah, give me a good miracle. Wow. Yeah, let's give this beast some ammo. The brakes should be ultimate in this car. Fully customized street racer. Guys, look at that pickup. Wow. Guys, look at this. Hey, move it. Yeah, I can do some pretty cool stunts. Wow, this car is awesome. Guys, look at this. What a stunt. Man, this is awesome. This is what we need for our videos, bro. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos like this. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.